hurricane that's been upgraded to a Category 2. I mean, here I know we're taking a live look in Boston. Everything looks nice and peaceful, but
sunny.
They are dealing with a lot.
Yes, getting ready for a major hurricane that will make landfall tomorrow afternoon. And this will bring multiple threats, multiple impacts across the area, the Panhandle of Florida and the Big Bend of Florida, too. And here's a live look as folks there prepare for this major storm. Will be a Category 3. The wind already picking up on the beach, and you can see the rough surf. It's just going to increase. We're expecting a 6 to 12-foot storm surge along the coast of Florida here. And here's the storm. Michael, a very strong Category 2 at this hour, pretty much a Category 3. But as we all know from the categories, it's not that we want to focus on. It's on the impacts and what we can expect all along the coastline of the Gulf here. And already the outer bands starting to expand towards the Panhandle of Florida and the coastline. Forecast is major hurricane again tomorrow afternoon as it makes landfall. Life-threatening storm surge, widespread wind damage, and outages too. This is a very thickly settled area and also very dense with a lot of tall trees. So as we know here in New England, whenever we get a big windstorm, we get a lot of power outages, looking like that could be the case across Florida. Once we get into tomorrow, as the winds pick up, widespread 4 to 8 inches of rain, up to 12 inches, and significant flooding. The good thing is it is moving much quicker than Florence did along the Carolinas, but it's actually set up to produce a lot of heavy rain across the Carolinas as well as it tracks through the southeastern U.S. Max winds now 110 miles an hour, moving north at 12. And here's the projected track. As it continues north, it starts to take a turn slightly to the north and east, perhaps making landfall near Panama City tomorrow afternoon between 2 o'clock and 8 o'clock in the afternoon. That's still a little uncertain. Then it will stay as a tropical storm as it dumps tons of rainfall across Georgia through South Carolina this into Thursday. The track takes us out of the cone of uncertainty. However, we could see across southern New England the potential for 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, some gusty wind, pretty minor impacts considering. But the projected rainfall across the Panhandle of Florida, several inches of rain, isolated spots getting a foot of rain all the way through the Outer Banks of North Carolina. The remnants for us here passes way south of our benchmark. This going to be on Friday. South Coast, Cape and Islands, 1 to 2 inches of rain possible. Rough seas, 5 to 10-foot waves offshore, and especially across and away from the coastline of Nantucket. Surfers probably getting excited about this one, but a dangerous one for small vessels. Satellite radar for us, we notice finally some sunshine. The clouds have broken apart here, and we have a warm front to our north. We have a southerly wind, and the temperatures are really starting to increase this afternoon as we see more of that brilliant sunshine. The shower chance gone until we get into your Thursday forecast. The wind speed, you see that direction coming from the south-southwest. Couple peak gusts between 15 and 25 miles an hour, and temperatures right around 80 degrees, 77, just shy of 80 in Boston, 78 degrees in Norwood. Dew point temperatures are elevated, so it's a muggy summer-like day for us. Forecast highs for tomorrow also going to be a very warm forecast as we see temperatures in the low 80s for many communities. Thursday, chance for rain, also some downpours and thunderstorms, and then Friday, the remnants of Michael passing to our south and east. Brianna?